Hello everyone and welcome back to my IT desktop support series. One of you asked me how we can connect our phone to the Windows on a laptop or PC. There is a few ways, but I'm gonna just show you one free way to connect your iPhone or Android phone to your laptop or to your desktop PC. The first things you need to do, actually the simplest way is to just, if you got the Android or if you got, for example, Apple device, you need one of these cable and you need to connect it to the USB on your laptop or on your mobile phone. So I just connected my iPhone to this one and I'm gonna open this PC. For example, if I want to transfer all my photos and videos from my iPhone, I don't need to open the iTunes anymore. So on the Windows 10 and Windows 11 we have these options to get the data out from our iPhone or Android phone. So as you can see, as soon as I connected my phone to the device, it came up here. So I just double click on it and it shows me all the photos and videos. Just remember, you only can transfer your photos and videos from your iPhone or Android phone with this system, okay? So I just simply open one of the folders, and then I can just mark them all and then just copy them. All right, so it should be the same on the Android phone, so don't be confused. It's not exactly, but it's quite similar to the Android phone. So you just need to get your Android cable and just connect it to your laptop or PC, and as soon as you connect it, it will come up and then you will see the icon here. If somehow you didn't see the icon, you just click on the refresh or press F5, okay, or press F5 to refresh it. But that's not the good but with this connection you can't answer your phone on your laptop or on your PC. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use your laptop or PC as your mobile phone now. Okay, and it's quite simple. All right, so let me just open the one browser for you. So the application which I'm looking for called Phonlink. So with these applications you can connect either your Android phone or your iOS phone to your Windows, and simply you can just answer your phone or reply to any message, or see the status of the battery charge, and lots of more you can do with this application. So what we need to do, we need to just go to one of the browser and just search for the Phonlink. So on the first line you see the introducing the Microsoft Phonlink and link to Windows. So if you just click on this one, it will show you the things here. Okay, so it says the phone links and fresh look and how to link it, so everything. And here we got the download link. So on this download link you can download it on your mobile phone. Okay, so this link takes you to the Google Play to download it on your mobile phone, but before that you need to install it on your laptop or on your PC. Okay, how are we gonna do it? Like that. Okay, so how you gonna install it on your Windows is like that. So you just, let me just go back. So when we search for the Phonlink, okay, on the second line we will see this: sync your smartphone to your Windows computer. And remember this, on the Windows 11 the applications already been installed, but on the Windows 10 you need to do it manually. You need to just go to your store on your Windows and just look for the Phonlink. So on this one, I just press on the sync your smartphone and just scroll down, and as you can see, get started now. So yes, here, launch Phonlink or search for the Phonlink on your Windows 11 PC taskbar. So if you just click on this one, it will automatically bring this page for you, and then it will ask you what your mobile phone is. Are you using the Android phone or are you using the iPhone? So in my case is the iPhone, so I just press on the iPhone. It says turn on the Bluetooth to continue linking your iPhone to this PC. So I just turn on my Bluetooth now. So the next step is to just get your phone and open the camera and scan this QR code here. Okay, let me just so it's like that. So you need to just press. So as soon as you press on the link, it will show you how to link it. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so you allow the notifications and then you press OK, you accept terms and conditions. So yeah, we are good. Right, so if I press continue, so you are all set. So there you are. Open the link when I sign details, get started, show me how. It will show you how to use it. Okay, right, so as you can see, my phone is now connected, and this is my notifications thing. So as you can see here is my all notifications. You can clear all the notification, and you can make a phone call. You can just answer your message. So just you need to sync your contact. Now for this one, you can just connect it like that, and then you can just make a phone call to anyone or answer the phone. Okay, let me just call my number. Okay. As you can see, yeah, I'm just ringing myself. So you can accept it like that, or reject it, or you know, just send it back by the text message. And yeah, and then you can reply to your messages here, and so you can do everything with this application. Is quite useful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to ask your questions on a comment for me, and please subscribe my channel and like it if you really like it. Thank you.